Well, I just woke up from taking a nap in a parking lot. I did that because I got up at like 5 this morning. And I thought, I'm going to get out the piece of paper, ink pen. I'm going to do a little math here. And I'm going to see how much I made per hour. And then my dumbass realized I'm lousy at math. And I got a calculator on my phone. What a dumbass. So anyways, this morning I averaged $27.71 an hour. I mean, hell, I didn't make that at my old job. But of course, I haven't paid the taxes on it or anything like that. And of course, as a law-abiding citizen, we will be doing that fairly. Anyways, the whole idea was, I don't know, that it shows on here how many hours you've got, how much money you made and all that. I didn't see anywhere that it said anything about, I don't think it keeps up with your miles, which is, if it does, I don't know about it. So anyways, but I don't know a lot of things. I don't know. I kind of was interested in, it's $27.71 an hour. What do the rest of y'all make? What's the best day y'all have had? I've still got, I took a nap. I got up at 5. I worked till 4 hours, or I sat in the parking lot for a little while, right? Waiting for something to hit, like 30 minutes. So I had more online time than I did active time. But I live in my damn truck. What else was I going to do? I was already sitting in a parking lot. Might as well just turn on the phone and wait. So at that rate, I was just wondering, is that pretty good day? That's been considered a pretty good day for me. Not best, but definitely not the worst. Well, anyways, I'll holler at you later. I'm going to go do something else, and I'm going to hook y'all up with some new information.